Welcome to the world of home hacks, where creativity meets practicality and simplicity reigns supreme. Whether you're a seasoned home improvement aficionado or a complete novice looking to bring some order to the chaos, these inexpensive and ingenious hacks will save you time, keep you organized, and make your life infinitely easier. Welcome back to Resources for Life, the small channel with big ambitions. Command hooks are the unsung heroes of the home hacking world. These little adhesive wonders can be used in countless ways to keep your home organized without damaging your walls. Here are a few clever uses. The obvious one, key holders. A set of hooks near the front door means no more searching for lost car keys. You can even get creative and use a series of hooks to create a decorative key station. Cable management. Tired of the tangled mess of cables behind your desk? Use command hooks to guide and hold cables in place, keeping them tidy and easily accessible. Attach hooks along the edge of your desk or behind it to keep cords organized and off the floor. Kitchen utensils. Free up drawer space by hanging frequently used kitchen utensils on the inside of cabinet doors. This not only saves space, but also keeps your most used items within easy reach, making cooking more efficient. Displays. Command hooks can be used to hang lightweight decorations such as string lights, small picture frames, or holiday decorations. This allows you to change your decor frequently without worrying about damaging your walls. A cluttered pantry can make meal prep a nightmare. Here are some hacks to keep your pantry organized and efficient. Clear containers transfer dry goods, such as rice, pasta, and cereal, into clear, airtight containers. Not only does this keep food fresh, but it also allows you to see what you have at a glance. Uniform containers also stack neatly, maximizing your storage space. Label everything. Invest in a label maker or some stylish chalkboard labels. Clearly labeled containers help everyone in the household find what they need without rummaging. Labels also add a neat and organized look to your pantry shelves. Please consider a like to this small, growing channel, and we'll keep getting better at bringing you good, interesting, and informative content. Back to the video. Tension rods. Use tension rods to create additional shelving for small items like spices. Place them vertically or horizontally to suit your needs. You can also use them to hang cleaning supplies or kitchen towels. Just don't trust them for doing this. Install tiered shelving or use tiered organizers to maximize vertical space. This makes it easier to see and reach items at the back of the pantry or to reach higher. Place lazy Susans or pull-and-swing devices in your pantry to make accessing items easier. No more digging through the back to find that jar of pickles. Use them for jars, cans, or even condiments in the fridge. In today's tech-driven world, managing cords and cables is a stress reliever. Here are some hacks to keep your cords under control. Binder clips. Attach binder clips to the edge of your desk and thread cables through them. This keeps cords from slipping off and falling to the floor. You can even label or color code the clips for easy identification of each cable. You could use sticky tabs to label what the cords and wires are for. Just write on the tag with a marker and wrap the relevant cable. That way, you will never unplug the computer instead of the desk fan again. Invest in a cable organizer box to hide power strips and excess cables. It keeps everything neat and prevents tripping hazards. Choose a box that matches your decor to keep things stylish. Use twist ties Velcro straps or cable ties to bundle and shorten cables. This prevents them from tangling and makes it easier to manage excess length. A well-organized closet can save you time and reduce stress. These hacks will help you create a functional and stylish wardrobe space. Shower curtain rings. Use shower curtain rings on a hanger to store scarves, belts, or even tank tops. Simply clip the rings onto a hanger and thread the items through. Shoe organizers. Hang a shoe organizer on the back of your closet door. Use the pockets to store not just shoes, but also accessories, cleaning supplies, or even snacks. It's a versatile storage solution that keeps things organized and within reach. Rotate your wardrobe seasonally. Store off-season clothes in bins under your bed or on high shelves to free up space for current items. Vacuum-sealed bags can help save space and protect your clothes from dust and moisture. Organize your clothes by color for a visually pleasing and easily navigable closet. This method makes it easier to find what you're looking for and creates a cohesive look. Install a second hanging rod below your existing one to double your hanging space. This is perfect for shorter items like shirts and pants or large bunnies. The kitchen is the heart of the home, but it can also be a hotspot for clutter. Here are some hacks to keep your kitchen running smoothly. Install a magnetic knife strip on the wall to save counter space and keep your knives within easy reach. This also prevents knives from dulling or getting damaged in a drawer. Tension rods again and hooks. Place a tension rod under your sink to hang spray bottles by their trigger and keep them off the bottom of the cabinet. This creates more space and makes it easier to find what you need. Invest in an over-the-sink cutting board to maximize counter space. These cutting boards are perfect for small kitchens and make food prep more efficient. Install pull-out shelves in your cabinets for easy access to pots, pans, and baking sheets. This helps you avoid the hassle of digging through stacks of cookware. Mason jar organizers. Attach mason jars to a wooden plank and mount it on the wall for a rustic yet functional storage solution for cotton balls, Q-tips, and other small items. It's a charming way to keep your bathroom essentials organized. Utilize over-the-door organizers for additional storage. They're perfect for holding toiletries, cleaning supplies, or even extra towels. Color-coded towels assign each family member a specific towel color. It keeps things organized and ensures everyone knows which towel is theirs. This can also prevent arguments and confusion. Magnets. Use magnets inside cabinet doors or just on a shelf to hold bobby pins, tweezers, and other small metal items. This keeps them easily accessible and prevents them from getting lost. Towel warmer. Invest in a towel warmer for a touch of luxury. Nothing beats the feeling of a warm towel after a shower, especially on cold mornings. Make your living room a cozy, clutter-free zone with these hacks. Remote control, CAD. Keep all your remotes in one place with a fabric caddy that hangs over the arm of your sofa. No more digging between cushions when it slips off your makeshift holder. You can even make your own caddy with some fabric and basic sewing skills. Use furniture risers to create extra storage space under your couch or chairs. Store blankets, board games, or extra pillows out of sight. This is especially useful in small living rooms and can be purpose-made or created from simple blocks, maybe cut from a large piece of timber. Organize your bookshelves by color, genre, or size for a visually appealing and organized display. Add decorative items like plants or photo frames to break up the monotony and add personality to your shelves. Use cable covers to hide and organize the cords from your TV and other electronics. This keeps your living room looking neat and tidy and your cables organized. Choose an ottoman or something similar that looks good with your decor with storage inside. It's a great place to store blankets, magazines, or even toys, and some are hidden away, built into the furniture. Laundry can be a never-ending task, but these hacks will make it more manageable. Sock clips. Use sock clips to keep pairs together in the wash. No more mismatched socks. Dryer balls. Replace dryer sheets with wool dryer balls. They reduce drying time, save energy, and are eco-friendly. You can even add a few drops of essential oil to the balls for naturally scented laundry. Create a folding station at desk height. A simple table or countertop will do, making it easier to fold and sort clothes as soon as they come out of the dryer. Add some baskets or bins for sorting laundry by family member or type. Laundry bin. Invest in a multi-compartment laundry sorter, or if you have space, 2 laundry baskets. Pre-sorting your laundry into categories like whites, colors, and delicates saves time on laundry day. Install a hanging rod in your laundry room for air-drying clothes or hanging freshly ironed items. This prevents clothes that you are due to wear from getting wrinkled in a wardrobe and keeps them looking their best. Sometimes the best hacks are the ones you create yourself. Here are a few DIY ideas to inspire you. Wine cork bulletin board. Glue wine corks to a frame or piece of wood to create a stylish bulletin board. It's a great way to display notes, photos, and reminders. Plus, it's a fun way to repurpose those corks from your favorite bottles of wine. Paint chip calendar. Use paint chips or samples to create a colorful, reusable calendar. Write the dates and events with a dry erase marker and change them each month. It's an easy and affordable way to keep track of your schedule. Mason jar herb. Garden. Grow your own herbs in mason jars. Attach them to a piece of wood and hang them in your kitchen for a functional and decorative touch. Fresh herbs at your fingertips will make your cooking even more delightful. Chalkboard wall paint. A section of a wall with chalkboard paint to create a writable surface. Use it for grocery lists, to-do lists, or as a creative space for kids. It's a fun and functional addition to any room. As the seasons change, so do our needs around the home. Here are some hacks to help you transition smoothly. Winter warm-up. Keep an extra set of blankets in a basket near the couch for chilly evenings, maybe in one of the storage ideas from earlier in the video. Consider using a boot tray to keep muddy boots from tracking dirt into the house. Spring cleaning. Use a microfiber cloth to dust blinds and baseboards. Make a cleaning checklist to tackle one room at a time and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Open windows to let in fresh air and bring in some potted plants to brighten up your space. Summer fun. Create a designated space for summer essentials like sunscreen, hats, and sunglasses. A small basket or tray by the door works perfectly. Set up a drink station with a cooler or mini fridge to keep beverages cold and easily accessible. Autumn organization. As fall arrives, bring out the cozy throws and scented candles. Store summer clothes and accessories in labeled bins to make room for warmer attire. Organize your entryway with a coat rack and shoe tray to keep things tidy as the weather changes. Embracing home hacks is all about finding creative solutions to everyday problems. It's about making your living space work for you, not against you. With a little ingenuity and some inexpensive tools, you can transform your home into an organized, efficient, and stylish sanctuary. So, roll up your sleeves and get hacking. Whether it's creating a clutter-free kitchen, a serene bathroom, or a cozy living room, there's a home hack for every space and every need. Enjoy the process, and remember, the best hacks are the ones that bring a little more joy and simplicity into your life. Thanks for watching.